In this video, I want to show you how an integration of WEBCON, Business Central, and SharePoint can look like. As an example, I will use the contract management, and we will switch over to Business Central, where we have a customer with whom we want to create a contract. For this, we can open the process wizard, from which we can select configured workflows run in WEBCON. And here we want to start the contract. Use a contract workflow to start it, and now we see inside Business Central the form from WEBCON. And because this customer is not yet created as a partner, you have to fill in the contract partner details. We have here this relation to the customer have been selected. We have to provide some contact information about the person with whom I want to conduct the contract. Outcome, primary. Let's skip the other information because this video is about the integration itself. Let's create a new contract. Now we see the contract formula from WEBCON, NDA. This was just information that I didn't fit in the title requirements. NDA example. This is a contract type of NDA. Responsible for the contract will be Code Cosmo. And I will just registering the contract itself. Here we have some more information initiated by us. It's in draft. Here we see that the contract partner is already filled out. I could add additional contract partners here. But now I need to add something about the contract itself. It's going to start at the 1st of February. It will end at the 21st of January of 26. We can cancel it 1 month in time prior, and yeah, we should get the system should remind us 3 months ago before we need to cancel it. It will be renewed for 12 months. And now the contract management itself also shows us the information about the contract periods, first period, second period, third period, and the notice periods and reminders when I be active. I won't go into more detail regarding tasks, reminders, approvals, and risks, and so on, because this will be part, can be seen in the expert video about the contract management itself. Let's finish up the registration. Now my work is done in BC, and this contract has been assigned us to Code Cosmo. Let's switch over to him. Now before I go over, we see here that the contract management has been started. It's currently in the authoring step. So Business Central is already aware that there's a WEBCON workflow running. Code Cosmo here already has the task which we've sent up, we've configured just before. You can check everything and complete it. Like I said, I will just provide some information here and go through this contract management. It's very fast because it's not the target of this video. Forward to approval. Contract is signed. It's really a shortcut. Normally you would do some more, something more. Let's test whether it's now working. Yeah, it does. It did. What happened here was, let's check it. Here was an error. Transaction was deadlocked on block resource, some other process. So there was some issue because I couldn't, interestingly, I couldn't close this. Let's head back to Business Central. Here we still see that's well, one contract is running, but it's already signed, so it's still active. if I would archive the contract, then it wouldn't be shown in here anymore. And if I refresh the document box, I see here's a contract which we provided in the WEBCON workflow, and this contract is saved in SharePoint itself because the document box just shows some documents from the SharePoint which are configured for this customer. So everyone who wants to know how this is running or what was done, what was necessary in Business Central can take a look, continue. For everyone else, this is an integration part, and now we just head over to how it was configured. The Business Central add-in allows us to map BC information, in this case the customer, to a WEBCON workflow and configure some information which should be passed from Business Central to WEBCON, like the ID of the record here, and that has been created from a customer. Created from two would be then it would be created from a vendor, which was necessary to get the correct partner. And yeah, the WEBCON, this workflow, the contract management is another configuration. Everyone who knows WEBCON will be fairly can easily set this up. We have the application, we have the process, workflow, form type, and some other important information to map the information, Business Central information, to WEBCON, so that WEBCON knows what needs to be updated. Yeah, and this is everything what needs to be done in Business Central for this integration. With this add-in, you don't need to know anything about the BC development, at least if you're fine with this option, which is configured like this one in this example. Thanks for watching.